How to add pop-up calendar on your Google Sheets. Hi guys, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to be on your Google Sheets. Now you have to highlight the field you would like to add the pop-up calendar to. And now you have to go to the top of your screen and look for where you see data. And then tap on data. And then scroll down to where you see data validation. Now simply look at the right hand side of your screen where you see add rule and you want to tap on the plus icon. Now go over to criteria and then you want to tap on the drop down. Now you want to scroll to where you see is valid date, and then guys you're going to be tapping on this. Now scroll down to where you see done and you want to tap on done. Now you want to go back to the highlighted field and then you want to click on it. Now immediately after clicking, there should be a calendar pop up on your Google Sheets. And guys, this is how simple it is to add pop-up calendar in Google Sheets. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.